The next Strata doc is actually Strata Council meetings. All right, so we ask for 2 years of minutes of Strata Council meetings. What does that mean? In a Strata, owners will elect a group of fellow owners that belong to the Strata that's gonna be constituting the Strata Council. The Strata Council has authority when it comes to different matters. For instance, in some cases, when there is a parking stall that is common property that is allocated with Strata Council decision, the authority of the Strata Council can change. For instance, if you had parking stall 5, it can be changed to 10th and so on. So who has the power in a Strata? It's not the Strata management, it's the Strata Council. So Strata Council, depending on Stratas, they have meetings every month, every 3 months, every 6 months. It depends. So during those meetings, there will be matters that will be discussed, and potentially they will be investigated towards getting a decision taken at the AGM. Okay? So you want to read all those Strata minutes to have a pulse of how is the Strata in terms of, is there any noise complaint being made, if it's been solved, if there is any leak, if it's been solved, if there is some maybe new trades being involved or proposal for new bylaws. It's all going to be happening there, and then it's going to be treated until it's being brought up at the AGM or SGM, depending on the matter. Then we move on to the next Strata doc.